Feeling overwhelmed by your endless streaming watch lists, scattered notes, and forgotten shows? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to finally take control of your Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, and YouTube watch lists in one clean system, without missing what you love. You know that feeling when you sit down to watch something, but you end up scrolling for 30 minutes, can't decide, and just watch something random? Or you start a series, forget which episode you left off, and waste your precious evening trying to find your spot? It's frustrating, and your current system of random notes on your phone or mental lists in your head just isn't working. The problem isn't you. It's disorganization. The apps don't talk to each other, your preferences are scattered, and your watch list keeps growing while your free time keeps shrinking. Imagine opening one page and seeing exactly what to watch, what you finished, and what you're excited about across all your platforms in seconds. That's why I created the Notion Streaming Platform Template. It's a clean, easy-to-use, plug-and-play Notion system where you can track what you're watching, mark where you left off, rate what you finished, plan your weekend binge without confusion, and access it from your phone or laptop instantly. Because your free time is valuable. Because your evenings deserve peace, not confusion. Because you've worked hard, and your personal time should be enjoyable, not a chaotic scroll fest. This isn't just a template. It's your personal watch list command center that keeps your fun organized while saving your time. What would it feel like to know exactly what to watch next, without wasting time or forgetting your favorite shows? Now let's talk value. Hiring a productivity coach or app subscription could cost you $50 to $100 a month, easily. Even a high-end Notion consultant would charge $35 to set up a system. This for you. But I wanted this to be accessible. That's why you're not paying $35. You're not even paying $25. The original price for this Notion streaming platform template is just $18. But for a limited time, you can grab it today for $12. Yes, only $12 to organize your watch list, save your time, and take back your evenings. But this offer won't last forever. Once this week is over, it goes back to $18, and you'll have to wait for the next rare sale. So, if you want to stop wasting time and start enjoying your shows effortlessly, click the link below and grab your Notion streaming platform template right now before the price goes up. Your time is precious. Your shows are waiting. Take back your evenings. Get your template now and start watching smarter.